Hello students! This is a preview of lesson 1.13.2. Today we will work on your English listening and reading comprehension via 3 of our conversation topics for English learners activities. So, part 1, you need to watch the video, read the text below, then translate the text in your primary language and read it again. Okay? So, first thing first, you watch the video.
Hello, English learners. Have you ever ordered breakfast in English before?
So you watch this video, then you read the text in English. After you read the text in English, then you translate the text in your language and read it in your language again. After that, we go to part 2. Watch the video, read the text below, and then translate the text into your language using the translation over here. In part 3, the same thing. Watch the video, read the text below, and then translate the text into your primary language and read it again. Okay? Part 4, congratulations, you are now at the first quarter of year 1. Each quarter is 13 weeks, and we've just completed 13 weeks of English. So, this is the year 1, quarter 1 listening review test right here. So make sure that you do this. You click start and you put your name. I will put mine. And then you click next. And notice that it has questions. In a conversation with acquaintances, colleagues, educators, and employers, we use slang, formal language, or informal language. We can watch this video.
English learners, for formal greetings and farewells, imagine having a conversation with acquaintances, colleagues, educators, and employers using formal language. How would you start a conversation? What would you say?
So we watched the video and we're going to select formal language. And we click here. Now we have the next question. During, we normally introduce whoever we are together with the persons we meet and discuss with. This way, all the people feel welcome and connected to our discussion, and no one feels out. So what options do we have? Formal language, formal introductions, or informal language? So, you can play the video.
Greetings, English learners. During formal introductions, we normally introduce whoever we are together with the persons we meet and discuss with. This way, all the people feel welcome and connected to our discussion.
Okay, so formal language, informal introductions, or informal language? So we select formal introductions. And then there are more questions, okay? And we answered those. Okay, so after you're done with this quiz, if you want to get a certificate, let's see here. Let me just put some more answers. You see, you can select the answers you want. you go over them and you select, and watching the video will help you. So part 5 is directions. Take the optional Year 1, Quarter 1 American English Listening Exam. So you don't have to take this, but if you want to take this exam, it costs $1, and it includes a certificate that is emailed to your email address. So if you're going to do this, it's going to cost $1, and you will need to enter your full name and your email address. Okay? And when you finish, you go over here and you tell us how you did on the test, what you learned. You put your name, you put your email, and you click Post Comment. Thank you very much, students, and congratulations for finishing Year 1, Quarter 1. We have Quarter 2 starting next week that you will learn new things. So thank you very much for working hard and improving your English with us. Do your best.